Welcome back, Namma. E-Sevai Mayam. We are going to talk about the latest central government job openings this week. If you want a prestigious and secure career, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates on government jobs. Watch full video, sure you will get job in Government G. Next job position, Integral Coach Factory, Chennai Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 1010 Act Apprentices posts. Qualification required, SSLC, HSC, IT. Last date, 21st June 2024. Next job position, National Institute of Nutrition, NIN, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 44 Technical Assistant, Technician and Laboratory Attendant posts. Qualification required, SSLC, Diploma, AnyDegree. Last date, 16th June 2024. Next job position, Central Bank Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 3,000 Apprentices posts. Qualification required, AnyDegree. Last date, 17th June 2024. Next job position, Border Security Force, BSF, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 37C, Vehicle Mechanic, Constable, Technical, 99C, Staff Nurse, 162C, Master, posts. Qualification required, SSLC plus IT, Diploma, B.Sc Nursing. Last date, 17th June 2024. Next job position, Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited, NPCIL, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 58 Assistant posts. Qualification required, AnyDegree. Last date, 25th June 2024. Next job position, National Institute of Nutrition, NIN, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 15 Lower Division Clerk, Upper Division Clerk, Library and Information Assistant posts. Qualification required, SSLC, HSC, AnyDegree, B.Lib.I.Sc. Last date, 25th June 2024. Next job position, Vehicle Factory Jabalpur Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 10 Design Engineer posts. Qualification required, Engineering. Last date, 24th June 2024. Next job position, IBPS CRP RRBs 13 Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 99-95 officers, Scale 1, 2 and 3I, and Office Assistant, Multipurpose, posts. Qualification required, AnyDegree. Exam language, Tamil, English. Last date, 27th June 2024. Next job position, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, HPCL, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 247 Engineer and Officer posts. Qualification required, Engineering, M.Sc, MCA, MBA, CA. Last date, 30th June 2024. Next job position, Department of Atomic Energy, ICAR, DAE, Kalpakkam Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 91 Technician Nurse Pharmacist Scientific Assistant Technical Officer Scientific Officer posts. Qualification required, HSC plus ECG Technician Nursing, BDS, MDS, MBBS, MD, MS. Last date, 30th June 2024. Next job position, Securities and Exchange Board of India, SCBI, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 97 Officer Grade A, AM, posts. Qualification required, Engineering, LLB, Master Degree. Last date, 30th June 2024. Next job position, National Fertilizers Limited, NFL, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 164 Management Trainee, Metricton, posts. Qualification required, Engineering, MBA, Freshers. Exam Center, Chennai. Last date, 1st July 2024. Next job position, National Fertilizers Limited, NFL, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 97 Engineer, Sister Chemist, Chemical Lab, Materials Officer posts. Qualification required, Engineering, M.Sc, MBA. Last date, 7th June 2024. Next job position, Cotton Corporation of India Ltd, CCI, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 214 Junior Commercial Executive, Junior Assistant, General, Qualification required, BSc in Agriculture, B.Com, MBA, CACMA, LLB, Postgraduate. Exam Center, Chennai. Last date, 2nd July 2024. Next job position, Bank Note Paper Mill India PVT, Ltd, BNPMIPL, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 39 Process Assistant Grade I, Technical, posts. Qualification required, ITI, Diploma, B.Sc, B.Com, AnyDegree. Last date, 30th June 2024. Next job position, BSF CRPF ITBP CISF SSB Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 1526 Assistant Sub-Inspector, Stenographer Combatant Stenographer, Head Constable, Ministerial Combatant Ministerial, posts. Qualification required, HSC pass. Last date, 8th July 2024. Next job position, Indian Air Force Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 2500, approximately, Agnivirvayu intake February 2025 posts. Qualification required, HSC, Diploma. Last date, 28 July 2024. Next job position, Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited, RCF Ltd, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 158 Management Trainee, Metricton, posts. Qualification required, Engineering, MBA. Exam Center, Chennai. Last date, 4th July 2024. Next job position, Damodar Valley Corporation, DVC, Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 64 Junior Engineer GR.2, JGR.2 posts. Qualification required, Diploma Engineering. Last date, 4th July 2024. Next job position, Bank of Baroda Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 459 Senior Manager, Manager, Territory Head, Group Head, Senior Relationship Manager, Data Engineers, Creative Designer, Defense Banking Advisor and various posts. Qualification required, Engineering, AnyDegree plus experience required. Last date, 2nd July 2024. Next job position, Indian Coast Guard Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 320 Navik, General Duty, and Yantrik through Coast Guard Enrolled Personnel Test, CGPT, January 2025 batch posts. Qualification required, HSC, Diploma. Last date, 3rd July 2024. Next job position, Heavy Vehicles Factory Avadi Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 271 Junior Technician, Diploma Technician, Junior Manager and Assistant posts. Qualification required, ITI, Diploma, M.Tech, LLB. Last date, 5th July 2024. Next job position, Ordnance Factory Medic Recruitment 2024. Number of vacancies, 04 Junior Manager posts. Qualification required, Engineering. Last date, 5th July 2024.
இன்று இந்த வீடியோவில் மத்திய அரசு துவாஷ் கல்விக் கடன் திட்டத்தை பற்றி விரிவாக பேசவோம். இந்த திட்டம் பொருளாதார ரீதியாக பிற்படுத்தப்பட்ட குடும்பங்களைச் சேர்ந்த மாணவர்களுக்கு எப்படி உதவுகிறது என்பதையும் பார்க்கலாம்.